Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download video from Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram does not allow anyone to download videos from Instagram. As an Instagram user, you can only save the video, image, or reel in the saved post to view later. So, what if you want to save video or reels from Instagram without any app? So you can actually save video from Instagram, like video or reels from Instagram without apps, without application. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can choose videos that you want to save or download. You can save like reels or just the basic video. As example, I will download or save this video. We'll find reels. I will save this. So first of all, if you want to download this video, these reels, you can tap on the three dots here. I mean you can tap on the share icon here. You can copy the link. Just copy the link. Now you can go to your browser, like Google or something. Now you can enter save from net. Save from like this. You can search. Now tap on save from .net here. On this, you can enter your link, the link that you just copy from Instagram. Now tap on here. You can just wait. Now tap on download MP4. You see the download? Now the videos that from Instagram has been downloaded to your device. You can see this video on your gallery. So here's the video. So that is how to download videos from Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!